86 Caprice rear speakers. That's the original Delco on the right. And the new is the Rockford Phosphate Prime R169 by 3. The new speaker's just a touch higher than the original Delco. I'm hoping I can still use the original Caprice brackets to mount the new ones. They're just a touch higher. I don't see an issue. They're only about a 1/4 inch higher. Hopefully they slide right in there. Also, I got these wire harness adapters for GM. They're 72 4500s to connect directly to your original Caprice speaker harness in the trunk. I'll let you know how they fit. Stay tuned. Install complete. They sound fantastic. I just got the stock unit for AM/FM radio. I got these speakers at crutchfield.ca. I think they were 130 bucks. The adapters were free that hook up to your original harness. And yeah, no issues using the stock brackets to install the rear speakers. If you got a box Chevy, hopefully this helps you out.